Right, guys, that took us about a minute.
Couple minutes.
Even that.
Right.
We're online with people.
Ooh, ooh.
It's tits though.
That ass. Joking.
Right,
It's animated, it's terrible.
let's go.
We
Just
best
follow.
follow the slut. This is White Noise Online. There's a massive white albino thing trying to chase us down. And we got to find tape recorders.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Wait, what's that? Is that a bag?
Don't know. Wait, is it the first one to collect 10?
First one to collect 10?
It's-
Don't we
well,
just like
tape
work
recorders,
together
yeah.
to create,
Yeah.
to like collect? We buy one. There we
It's not
go.
spider web. Oh, hey babe.
Stones.
Shit, it's so sexy.
Right, that sound where it's all like fuzzy, it's not the creature, it's the tape recorders.
So you know if
Hint,
you hear that
hint.
someone near one.
Yeah.
I'm just following this hot piece of shit.
Man, you have low, I would say expectations, but standards. Wait, do we have to stay together or something?
I don't know, I think we can split up, but I wouldn't recommend it. Shit, he's coming.
Totem pole.
He's on his way. The thing's on his way.
We died at the totem pole before.
Oh no, is he coming?
I don't know. Screen's going fuzzier. It's like Slender, only there's a massive albino bodybuilder.
Don't go back, you slut. This is possibly the longest we've said live.
Yes. No, it's not. There's another green totem pole to your right. Don't look. You'll probably die.
The first one, she looks like a drug addict.
Yeah. Cocaine. Not being funny, but everyone who does this must be on cocaine or something.
Apart from our guy just looks BS, man.
He looks bullshit.
Yeah,
How?
horny.
Weird blood splatters, I'm guessing.
There's someone with us.
No, just like map dynamics or something. Wow, this is fun.
And I'm just following this bitch.
There's literally no suspense to this. Oh, tape recorder somewhere, I think.
I know. I'm just following this woman. If it turns out to be a troll, I will kill myself. Oh, yeah.
Flash that ass.
Okay, we ain't been in this bit yet.
I don't know. Jesus fucking Christ, this is boring. This is no suspense and nothing to it.
I know.
The hell is that? Why is she going there? She's just making sure that we're following her.
Yeah, I think so.
Turn it back on, you dumbass. I want to see where you're going. Now you're just being an absolute retard.
Trying to make the game interesting. Oh, god dang it. We're by ourselves, guys. We're by ourselves. We're by ourselves.
Run from the albino.
Fuck the albino.
Albino.
Spider web.
Oh, is there something in there? Have a look.
No, there's nothing.
Right, let's run. Oh god.
This don't look
I
good.
got the feeling we're gonna die in here.
I hate that sound of the monster.
What is it? It's breathing or something.
Yeah. Do you reckon I said that she's disconnected because she got bored? Or do you reckon that thing killed her?
I don't know. Either she got bored, or she got killed, or she was just being a whore. There's a bit of suspense now. But not
Especially
much.
when we're by ourselves.
Yeah. Are we just going around in circles?
I don't know, I want to say we've been in there, haven't we?
Alright, let's sit down on the bench and think.
That's not a bunch of fucking coffin, bro.
No, behind you there's a bench. Benches in that room.
Well, I ain't looking behind me.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No. Don't want to do it. I'll bend over for you, but still.
You will look behind you then if you can bend over. Go away from the totem pole, remember? Are you trying to suicide?
YOLO! Shit! Run! You're out of energy, but run! Even if I was out of energy, I would still run.
Makes no sense, but okay. What's in there?
Hello, this is new. Oh, what the fuck is that?
It's just the sound it makes when it wanks. Yeah, must be the orgasm.
It's not, I'm crapping myself.
I'm not.
It's like Slender, but
It's like Slender, but just not. Doesn't have the scare factor.
it does, especially like when you collect like more than one tape recorder.
If you're solo, then you have the small scare factor, but with more other people, it's like go sleep during it.
I'm literally crapping myself.
Just hold forward and you'd survive.
I bet you there's like only one. Oh, sugar, that's what the fuck. Oh, hey, sexy.
Pedo.
I love your tits.
This is the albino we are meant to be scared of.
Let's get a better look. Motherfucker. Okay.
Why is there a terracotta army? I don't trust this.
Terracotta.
Have you not heard the legend about the terracotta army?
No.
Or if there is a legend to it.
What is it?
But there's the famous terracotta army.
What is a terracotta army? Explain it.
Just like it's like modelled clay soldiers, basically. It's literally, this guy must have had a fascination with massive life-size dolls or something. In like Asia or somewhere, wherever it was.
Fuck's sake!
Albino!
Oh look, there's one.
Yeah, this guy had... We found two, yes. But yeah, there's this massive army of terracotta soldiers.
Really?
All I heard was a bit broke.
I don't know.
But it doesn't matter because we didn't get the rest of it.
The music's getting there, isn't it?
There was church bells. And there they are again. Fuck me.
Fuck the world.
JK. Why did they make games about albino pedos? For Christ's
like
sake.
Slender in this game.
I know. It's albino stalkers. And they're meant to be scary.
I swear I've been in this bit.
Mm-hmm.
They're not benches, are they? Shit, they are.
Told you. Dumb.
Swear they're coffins, man. ain't
No,
joking.
you're dumb.
We're doing pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't trust this. Do you want to take over, Tyler? Want to take over?
When it hits 10 minutes, yeah.
That's if it's still alive.
So,
Shit. It's every time, isn't it? Every time.
always avoid the totems. Word of advice.
That thing's behind us.
Why are these games always about
Oh,
Jimmy
fuck.
Savile's? Go in there. They're always about some sort of Jimmy Savile. Aren't they?
I know.
I have bad hands. Oh, where is he? Oh, where? No, that's not. Why am I saying where is he?
Where is it, more like?
It, or whatever it is. Or the tape recorder. Oh shit.
This is where I saw him last time, isn't it?
No. Show him with the crates. Uh, 20 seconds remaining.
What we're gonna do, guys, we're not gonna
Five.
pause it, we're just gonna swap it.
4, 3,
Well, this is where I die, isn't it?
2, Press pause button.
You don't pause, you're online.
Press pause now.
You still gone.
The hell?
Quickly swap it. Right, guys. I'm holding it.
Oh, you can't turn up sensitivity. Bollocks.
Surface bit will be shit. Get away from it. Get away from it. Yeah, I told you, jump.
You don't expect it when you're playing.
I know, yeah, that's what's so scary.
In here you saw it.
Man, just so pussy, innit?
Jesus Christ, I was not expecting it that as soon as I take over.
Oh god, don't look back, it's a totem thing, man.
Totem, never go to totems. Strobe lighting.
So I'm not the only one who gets scared on scary Saturdays and Sundays.
The Slender one we were playing.
I have to admit, it wasn't that scary compared to this, you have to admit.
Yeah, this is what...
This is kind of
This is like an albino bodybuilder meets Jimmy Savile.
Because when you run out of energy on this, yeah, you're pretty fucked.
Yeah.
Especially when you're getting chased.
We don't actually get chased, he just like teleports. Is it just me or is the flashlight going spastic?
It is, yeah. It's flashing.
I don't like it. This, nah. Wait, we've been here.
Yeah, we
I
have.
think there's a totem to my right.
Yeah, there is. That, yeah, I remember I tried going up there and we didn't got
I ain't looking, 'cause I don't want to, like, fucking lie.
God, sorry guys, just trying to get the fucking tripod. Oh, fuck the tripod, it'll be alright. Can you still see?
Yeah, should I just try and die, 'cause this is actually boring.
No, don't die, just look for it.
You can't though. Oh my god!
Disconnected from Xbox Live!
You absolute whore!
That's like the waste of time. It's like, that was a massive waste of time, wasn't it?
Don't get this game. Just don't.
Oh,
You're
guys.
wasting 70p.
Guys, it's been UK Gaming.
Oh my god.
Who was literally just disconnected from Xbox Live.
Look, don't believe us. Look. Look.
Please like, favourite, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.